At ENERN, we are proud to be China's leading supplier and manufacturer of commercial off-grid solar power systems. For many enterprises, the high cost of connecting to the power grid at their location renders it economically impractical. As a result, they seek a cost-effective energy solution. Additionally, for some enterprises located in remote or off-grid areas, there is a growing interest in achieving greater energy independence and availability. To meet the economic and energy independence needs of enterprises, we offer a cost-effective solution: off-grid solar power systems. This system can form a microgrid system with PV arrays, loads, diesel generators, etc., and is widely used in remote mountainous areas, areas without electricity, islands, communication base stations, and other places. After installation, users can charge the storage batteries when the electricity rates are at its lowest and directly get power supplying from the batteries instead. No need to buy electricity from city grid to avoid paying peak prices during the most expensive times of the day and reduce the bill. In addition, it can also serve as emergency backup power supply, replacing traditional UPS power sources in the event of power outages in the power grid, providing backup power support for critical uninterrupted loads in industrial and commercial parks, and effectively responding to sudden power outages. The system has multiple functions and is equipped with an intelligent EMS system, which can monitor and record faults in real time, achieve fault warning and positioning. It not only supports DC coupling access with solar panel, achieving integrated system design and improving the utilization rate of photovoltaic power generation. It also supports cloud platform functions to achieve remote scheduling, cluster control, and energy efficiency management, making global assets visible and digitized, and improving management efficiency. Although the off-grid solar system has a wide range of functions, how to choose a suitable and efficient product is going to be a big problem for customers. Among the numerous options, our 15KW commercial off-grid solar system and 30KW system stand out as the optimal choice. Component of ENERN's off-grid solar power system: solar panels, solar charge controller, solar inverter, BMS, battery management system, EMS, energy management system, and battery bank. The high-performance half-cell mono solar panels are known for their enhanced efficiency and durability. With the PV array combiner simplifies the wiring of multiple solar panels, streamlining the overall system design and enhancing safety. These solar panels capture sunlight and convert it to electricity, ensuring optimal energy production. And the PV MPPT controller continuously adjusts the operating point of the PV modules, optimizing the power output and ensuring that the system operates at its peak performance. Then our pure sine wave off-grid inverter converts the direct current, DC, generated by the solar panels into alternating current, AC. With LCD display, it can monitor the situation with real-time feedback. Besides, our inverter is equipped with a comprehensive range of protections, including safeguards against short circuits, overload, surge currents, over-temperature, over/under voltage, over/under frequency, lightning, phase imbalance, and reverse polarity. In order to store excess energy for future use, the system uses high-performance lithium batteries with a lifespan of 8 to 10 years. It can provide higher energy density and longer cycle life. In addition to many advantages, this industrial and commercial solar power storage system also has the characteristics of flexible investment, supporting multiple sets of parallel use, 1+N mode, and the MW power capacity can be flexibly expanded. The highly integrated design enables the product to have the smallest volume and reduce land and construction costs under the same power conditions in the industry. In addition, the battery pack adopts an AB module design inside the cabinet, which can save electrical cables. Through modular pre-installation design, it can be transported as a whole without the need for battery installation work. To ensure the security of the system, an isolation design is adopted between the battery compartment and the battery compartment, which can prevent the spread of thermal runaway. At the same time, online real-time monitoring and AI analysis on battery cells' working status can realize early warning for the faulty cells. In terms of operation and maintenance, the system adopts a one-click upgrade design, so that each unit of the system does not need to be upgraded one by one. At the same time, remote inspection has been achieved through 4G and Wi-Fi online intelligent monitoring, making the operation and maintenance work of each unit easy and convenient. In general, the system can be expanded and upgraded according to the needs, with flexibility. In the meanwhile, it also performs well in terms of security and operation and maintenance. Whether it is in industry or business, it can be widely used. The whole commercial off-grid solar systems can be sold as a complete package, with 25 years power output guaranteed.